All right, guys, we got us a 2022 Ford F-250 XLT 7.3 liter beast. Massive truck, as you guys can see. Barely fits in the shop, but I like it. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys? Still got factory converters there and there. Then it duals into I guess a resonator or a miniature muffler. I don't know. There was so many different things on it. But he wanted sound. He saw our other video on a white truck we did. He wanted it, but he wanted a little bit more throaty. So I told him, I got you, don't worry. So we put a double DYNOMAX race bullet setup. Where's the box, guys? Actually, I know the number. 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them. You put them double, it tones it down a little bit more, gives it more throatiness. Then a 3-inch pipe all the way back into a massive 4.5-inch pipe and another resonator that comes on these. And he left the factory tip. He didn't want to change the tip, so there's a factory tip on it. He might change it later on. But there, it comes with another resonator and a massive muffler, as you guys can see right there, that we took off. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. It's a Super Duty 7.3 liter. And like always, guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell for more beautiful content. Look at that work. It's beautiful. What do you think? Give it gas? Perfect? All right. He likes it. Here it is. There's sound decibels on it. 104. That's perfect. He didn't want it too loud. He didn't want it too quiet. That's why we went with the double DYNOMAX bullets. So if you guys want it not too loud, you take those two off and put double DYNOMAX bullets. It is a long truck. Look how much I have to go. 2022.